Greetings guys, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. More fun about and come spend some time with a few friends and family. Yeah man, a little discreet move because me get to understand say yo donkey said the world on level. So it's good to keep your tracks clean. Well, not necessarily say your tracks clean. You have to keep away from the negative energy. Yeah man. And stay positive. But trust me guys, throughout all of this, I tell you man, we just invite you all along to come enjoy this here video. Yeah guys, the place looks beautiful. Me I go all a swim a little bit from this. I soak up all of this here scenery. Trust me, it's a blessed day man. Love how the water look. Little bit from this, me I go tap in. Yeah man, see me can all a swim. But for now, this is Yard as is man. No preservative, no additive, all natural. The family around the corner. I enjoy themselves guys. And when me already sneak away if you soak up the scenery. Yeah man, it's a blessing to stay close to the water. I don't know why, it just brings some really good vibe. Yeah man, I wish I could have shown y'all what's popping out by Browns. Yeah man, who come here come enjoy a little small stay. Yeah man, you know it's something go. Nah, I say 40 guys, but come my yard man, put together this one for y'all. I trust that you all like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now I'm gonna show y'all my ugly face right now. None at all. Yeah man, but you know it's something go. Yeah today. Big zero in a corner and easy back as well. Yeah man, the whole family there yard guys. Look at that. Jelly pan tree. Yeah man, you can't get no fresher than that. Now I'm gonna show you all what's popping though. Different series. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Chaddy. Greetings guys. It's a blessing. It's just a small message I wanna share with you all. When you're visiting the area, Trinityville, yeah man, from you enter Seafort, I'd say. Well, from your turn up and from the crossroad. Yeah man, the roundabout I'd say. My bad guys, a little bit lost words. But yeah, skate. Yeah man, and you're running in the goat them, but as I was saying, from you come at the roundabout and heading towards Cedar Valley, anywhere on that strip of road. I ask if you just take your time and drive man. Cause most of the communities in and around the area, farming community, and more and less you're gonna have animal on the road no matter how you take it, cause country is just a stone throw away. Yeah man, for the motorists that's familiar with the area, or the guys out there who familiar with the area, y'all know the energy. Take on the time. We don't even have to say 40. But for those who are come visit Grandpa Falls, or you're heading towards Blue Mountain, or you just come look for your friend or family, take your time. Please. Yeah man. Just take your little time. Money over the road, yeah? Because animal there. And likewise the patience, so they know the energy go. Blessings that are safe travel, yeah? Yeah man. So just like the liar. You can take a little time. You know, as farmers guys, yeah man, you have to make sure no city that's the animal them stay off of the road. Yeah guys, so I make a quick sprint for carry cow them go get some water. Yeah man. Actually we didn't catch flu. Yeah man, I broke catch flu, you know. So I have to out here do it. Me a hardball. Yeah man. So I carry the cow them go get some water and I make sure I tie them back because as I said from before, we don't want them on the road and so it can cause no accidents. Yeah man. We have to look out for the animal them just as much as patrons as well, as me say guys. Just take your time drive when you're up on the road. Yeah man. See if we can eat what I lay there. Alright. She have feed us so I'll draw that peg a little bit closer. Step up. Put down so. Yesterday something I have to deal with it go. Look at that. I run this lady and she take up with. But she bad me up, you know. Yo? Yeah, me just saw picking back right in there. Hardball down a corner there, call me guys. Yeah man, big bro always there help out, you know. Yeah, I was supposed to know hardball from my hunting videos. Yeah, man, and my brother that I'm going hunting with. And Brian as well. You know, it's something go big, bro. Keep getting out there and doing the right thing. Yeah, man. I want to send a special shout out to the patrons from, well, all the community members from Whitehall. Yeah, man. I've been up and active and in and around the community. I shoot a few scenery. Yeah, this man boy lock up. Yeah, me have to chat to people, let me know, bro. I last one this man. So that me find time, bar. Yeah, guys, you know me already. But as I say, a special shout out to them guys from Whitehall. Yeah, man. Appreciate the support, guys. You know, energy go. But they are chuckle. Yeah, guys, a bit rugged, but we're still up and active. They are sweat down the place like crazy. Hardball, they are peg him. Peg moms. Yeah, man. Get that stone. Turn up, woman. Turn up. Get one of them big stone. Clap that peg there. Hey guys, as I was saying, they are chuckle. Hardball, I peg the cow. Yeah, man. As I say, we don't want to get to her. Them don't want to on the road, none at all. But I look out for them careless driver, even though them not look out for themselves. I tell you. So I go still. Yeah, today guys, keeping it natural. As I say, I run back to the video. Yeah, man, this is just a quick insight. I know for their country, I take and turn fashion. Come on, yard, man. I tell you, man, we get some weather. The other night, rain fall like crazy. The place green now. Pretty, look at that, guys. Beautiful, man. Country at its finest. Wow. Tell them, man, Blue Mountain look cloudy. Overcast, but no mind still. More rain. Yeah, guys. More rain I get at. Pretty good place be. Beautiful. Tell you, man. No place like that. Oh, let's get back to the video, guys. Enough for me and my sightseeing. Yeah, man. How you do not up? Pull out the car, yeah. Here to the destination, man. I don't know why. Run up and down like that. Pump to you. Kitchen face. And clean you up. Rain wash you off. Pretty. Like money. Say how they do. Now say how they do. Big up yourself, big boy. Yeah, guys. Next generation. Tell you, man. Well, let's go back to the video, guys. This is just a quick insight on how we take care of the animal. It's no place like yard, guys. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have to see teeth as the animal and stay off of the road. Active, big bro. Oh, yeah. Ah, brother. Yeah, man. Just like that, guys. Yeah, man, just like that. You have to just make sure you look out for the animal. Because when they're on the road. Yeah, man, and safe travel, man. I never depend years you gonna win, man. One step at a time, so you have to go put up your phone. Because you know it's something go reach a point where you can't video no more, we have to tend to them. Take turn the dada. Yeah, man. So we are tracker, guys. Yeah, guys, I'll give you a close-up view of what going on. Them boy are changing the thermostat out of the car.
Lie down and sleep now.
Pull out weed on the corner there now. Can't see what going on.
Lie down and sleep now, man. Doesn't give me a chance.
We stop by CJ Customs and Autos. Yeah, man. You know it's something go. Out by White Horses, guys. Yeah, man. Them guys know what them are doing. 100%, trust me. Them just need a few more tools to get the work done more effective, I'd say. Well, I could even say more effective because with the few tools that them have, them a take on turn fashion, guys. Them not much better than J Bigs in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man, always a take on turn fashion, guys. You know me already. It's a blessing, man. Yeah, man, it's a real blessed day. Them boy a take on turn fashion, as me say. And them a work on the machine, so in the future, moms are go fully active for the road, you know, it's something go. Spacecraft. Come on yard, man.
Yeah, time and get all it, man. Yeah, time and get little bit.
I thought no, when I thought I see boy tell the full to the big.
Yeah, man. I'm not going to see you full it up, man.
And don't that's me I say no, sir.
And I must you up the road in the same crowd.
You boy catch this man in town. I don't.
No boy, I'm just a too long boy lamp pot. Hey, be over there.
What? I don't know where I'm gone. I know where I'm gone.
You like more water?
You must put more water in it.
Cuckoo there.
I don't know, crab. I don't know.
Who love video? Who love video?
Alright.
I hear the problem.
Some of them small, some big.
The nose not. Couldn't pop
Hot now, you feel the pot hot man.
Why not?
You know, just say I see.
Yeah, guys, we're up and active this evening. Yeah, man, and hardball they ropes up some crab. Yeah, man. Know something go?
I want to jump.
Yeah, this is how we do it in Jamaica, you know. We wash them first, you know, because enough people want to drink the water, so we have to clean them up and give them the proper, you see it?
That
Yeah,
tight.
one
that
more
tight.
shot.
That tight, big brother, yeah, fix things. Yeah, man. Everybody there looks them kids around. Yeah, man. Mama hide her face. Hey, it's a blessing, guys. Yeah, man. No place like yard. And it's a cloudy afternoon. We get a whole heap of weather. Yeah, man. I will love it. You know, the countryside was really dry. Yeah, man. Moms go to the road there. Just collect our food from J Bigs. Yeah, man. On Fridays, you know the energy go. Bigs up and active as usual. No place like yard. Guys, I have to make a quick run, go pick up a fridge. Well, yeah, a fridge. We'll drop off a fridge up by the community that I used to reside. Yeah, man, that's up in Somerset. So, I'm gonna show you all the full trip going to. Yeah, man, you know, it's something go. We'll get some weather as well, and we'll love it. Yeah guys, you know me ever find myself in some really weird spot, I'd say. Yeah man. But I find myself up and active and me run come Rocky Point. Yeah man, with my team, I'd say. Yeah man. Them guys they're get together a few stuff. I'd say. Just yard as is. Yeah man, yeah. Roast a few fish, but I'm show you all what's popping a little bit from this. Me run out of charge guys, and you know the whole heap of chatting and I me that. On fly. Inside the beard there guys. Fly off alive. Can't follow me. Don't take me serious guys. You can laugh better than before. But what they are there? Yeah man, I'm there Rocky Point as I say. Yeah man. And we are tracker. Yeah man, I'll show you all what's popping a little bit from this. You know it's something go. We'll roast up a few fish and just chill with family and friends and then we get back.